This makes me so happy.
Just a pretty girl.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to vlog numero don't know because I don't know them, but I am getting ready for the gym. Wow, you know, we're not gonna do this again. We're not gonna have this, hi guys, I'm getting ready for the gym. This is like me talking about weight loss. No, stop. Okay, we're gonna go to the gym. I'll see you guys there. We're gonna run some errands. We're gonna take some photos for my Instagram. Have you guys followed me on Instagram yet? That's my wow, I was about to go, That's my Instagram. You should follow me. And if you want to hear my really raw thoughts, you can follow me over on Twitter. This is really bad. But if you want to, you know, chat with me, hear me on Twitter. Like, guys, the best way to reach me is for sure Twitter. Because with Instagram, for some reason, my messages come through. Like, they don't actually pop up in my DMs. If they're, like, asking me, permission to read your messages or something like that. And I think I'm going to keep it that way because there's a lot of creepy older men. So the best way to reach me, to talk about my journey, to talk about your journey, to get in touch and just talk is Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. The saddest thing about going to the gym today is I just got my hair done. Like, it was finally, after like over 4 months, finally relaxed, and I love it. And oh, I thought that was a lizard. And now we're gonna go sweat it out, and that makes me so sad. But then it also makes me really happy to know that I'm gonna sweat it out, you know? So today's gym workout is going to be like, I hope it's gonna be extremely hard because I think I need a kick in the ass, you know? I need a push through. I'm back home right now and I'm gonna go get ready. Need to get ready, but I wanted to come and show you guys what I was gonna eat to break my fast. So I'm gonna have this mango and I want to try this, and you're probably looking at like, what the, I don't know what it is. It's some kind of banana or fig. I think it's a fig, but it's red and I've never seen it before, so I wanted to try it on camera. Looks normal on the inside, but the peel is red. So I wanted to try it on camera. The skin is a lot thinner than normal. I cannot eat that, like when they start to get squishy, so I'm gonna cut it off. It tastes like a normal, when I say fig, I mean like Caribbean, because I know fig in America is a completely different fruit. There's a slight difference in flavor, but it tastes like same old regular figgy banana-y flavor. Why is my shirt wet? Making dinner, but I don't have enough potatoes, so I need to go get some of those. I'm not sure what else I need, but I'll figure it out when I'm there. And yeah, that's it. Why don't I just take them off? That's the plan for today. Guys, have any of you tried this? I kind of want to, but it's $32. Holy hell, maybe I'm not gonna try it. But if you guys have tried this, is it good? Let me know in the comment section. They're fucking $32 for bread? Honey, I don't think so. Okay, let's get back to shopping, shall we? I suck at vlogging. Hey guys, welcome to a new day in the vlog. I'm on my way to the gym. I'm not gonna be recording anything in the gym today just because I need to get back on my grind. Like, I need to just focus on working out instead of focusing on working out and then, oh, I have to get a clip, let me redo this, or let me, so I'm not gonna be vlogging in the gym today. I'm just going to the gym. For me, I know the goal that I'm setting is probably not attainable, but maybe it is if I work hard enough. Who knows? I'm not going to let it affect me or get to me if I don't reach my goal. Showered, home from the gym, cooking dinner right now for the fam because I'm responsible, not really. So I wanted to talk to you guys about my unrealistic goal. And I keep saying my unrealistic goal because I know it's hella crazy, but I want to see how far can I actually get. Like, how close to this goal can I actually push myself and get there? It's just, I just want to try it. I have this little book here, and I've just found it a lot easier to stick to doing something when I write it down. When I write it down, it just becomes clearer to me. I can see what I need to do to get to from A to B, and I just really like writing. So you guys should get a notebook and start writing down your journey. Write down, if you, let's say you have a binge one day and you write it down, you say, today I binged. I ate this, you don't have to write down what you ate, but you say I binged. And then, or let's say you step on the scale and you gained weight. You can write down, okay, I gained weight, but what did I do yesterday? You look back and you're like, that's why, honey. So then you take that into your brain. And then the next week you weigh yourself, you look back and you're like, well, shit, I didn't do that this week. That was why, you know. You guys are probably all like, what's the goal? Okay, so the goal is to lose between 30 and 40 pounds by my birthday. My birthday is 4 months away. That would mean that I need to lose at most 10 pounds every month. That's why I kind of ranged it from 30 to 40, because I think 10 pounds a month is kind of like, I mean, it's doable, but it's also ridiculous if you're trying to do this slow and steady, permanent type of weight loss. But I just want to see if I can do it or not. I'm not a dietitian or a nutritionist or a gym person. Okay. My lowest weighing is what I'm referring this to. So I haven't weighed myself in a while. So I'm just basing it off of what my lowest weigh-in was, and I'm gonna aim to be 30 to 40 pounds lighter than that by November 16th, 2018. Part of me thinks I should stretch it and say I'm trying to lose 40 pounds by December. But part of me is just like, just try. Just try and see if you can get there. So I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. We're gonna see if I can do it. If anyone has any thoughts on this, if you think I'm nuts, don't tell me, because I know. It just came to me last night and I'm like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna set, like, that's my big goal. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set like weekly goals and like monthly goals and see how close to these predicted goals I can personally get myself. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel to follow my journey. All of my social media links, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, are in the description box, linked and listed, so you can go ahead and follow me there too. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of this vlog. I just wanted to come on here and say that the goals that I'm setting, while I am saying they're unrealistic, I do personally think if I worked hard enough, I could reach them. But I don't think, personally for me, they're realistic goals, but I'm still going to try my hardest to reach the goals. I just want to say that because I know it's coming across as I'm saying you can't, but you totally could lose 10 pounds in a month. You really could. It's just, I don't know if they're realistic for me. I just want to clarify that. It might be easy for you, but for me, it feels a little bit unrealistic. However, I think 10 pounds in a month is totally doable. It's just, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, guys. I'm doing this as I go. Don't know if losing 40 pounds in 4 months is like too much, and am I gonna binge? Is it gonna require me to eat drastically less to do it? Is it gonna require me to move more? I could move more, but eating less I feel like would result in success and then a binge after. So I just don't know, guys. I don't know. See you guys in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.